What's up, Shiba coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Shiba. What's the current price of Shiba? What's the price since goes at this time in the Shiba? And this is the big news of the Shiba. And my friends, just keep watch this video for more details and updates for better understanding. And my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about Shiba coin, my friends. My friends, this time if we talk about the price of the Shiba coin, so the latest price is 0.000007 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Shiba. Furthermore, if we talk about the price it is of the Shiba coin, so the latest last 1 hour price is negative, last 1 day price is positive, and last 1 week price is open the Shiba coin is again negative, my friends. So only the Shiba coin start pumping from the yesterday. Yesterday the price of the Shiba coin is start pumping, but unfortunately now the currently latest change is again negative. Last 60-minute price is again negative. You can see here it is time the price of the Shiba coin start pumping. In the last 1 day, the previous 24 hours price is positive 6.87%. Absolutely the Shiba coin is goes better in the last 1 day, my friends, but now the currently latest situation of the Shiba coin is negative. Anyways, this time my prediction is going positive, and you know what, my friends, there is a higher possibility, there is a high possibilities to the price will pump in the last of June. And as you know, it is the last of June, and I think that this is just a beginning and the fast is for temporary. After 2-3 hours the price will again pump. Believe me, my friends, after some time, after some passage of time, the price of the Shiba coin will again pump. That is my personal prediction about Shiba coin, and I recommend for everyone to please hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech Share for more news and updates videos.